The police and residents are seeking for a 16-year-old Ashley Campbell of Red Ground District in St. Catherine, who has been missing since Monday, April 27. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and is about 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from the Old Harbour police station are that about 4 p.m. Ashley was last seen at home wearing a white blouse, blue jean shorts, and a pair of multicolored slippers. She has not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Ashley Campbell is being asked to contact the Old Harbour Police at 876-983-2255. The police 119 emergency number of the nearest police station. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.